Chinese manufacturing enterprises to improve their automation, reduce labor costs. Jihoyen strives to achieve unmanned factories and strives to create value for users and society. Jihoyen's enthusiasm, meticulous and patient service has won wide acclaim from all customers. With the spirit of hard work, Jihoyen Company has created incredible industrial robot miracle. The rapid development of Jihoyen Robot is inextricably linked to its unique product advantages. First, the Jihoyen Robot is the first domestic brand in China that realizes all the robot parts is made in China. We have core technology. Second, from design and development to production and application, Jihoyen robots implement quality control systems with high standards. Each robot has a separate file and all the components are traceable. Third, the Jihoyen robot has strongly independent research and development capabilities and excellent cost control capabilities. We break the barriers of expensive robot body and turn the robot into a popular product in the industrial production field. More than 70% of the core components of domestic industrial robots need to import, and import costs account for more than 40% of the total cost. The Jihoyen Robot broke this situation and relied on strong R&D capabilities to achieve 100% made in China. We spent half a year to overcome the robotic industrial problem. The rapid movement will cause a small shock. Its self-developed anti-shake technology and lifting speed technology have applied for national patents. The robot's repeatability has reached to 0.03 to 0.04 mm. Jihoyen Company is based in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province. We mainly developed and produce industrial robot bodies, robot positioners, robot walking rails, and robot project integration. For the development of key markets, Jihoyen Company successfully invested and established 4 holding subsidiaries of Hebei Jihoyen, Shandong Jihoyen, Henan Jihoyen, and Shenzhen Jihoyen. In future, Jihoyen will continue to open demo centers in key cities in China, and Jihoyen's overseas layout is also in full preparation. For the future market layout, Jihoyen will still insist on serving small factories. This original intention will not change even if your factory is small as a workshop. As long as your product meets the robot using characteristics, we must let you can afford robot and use robot. With keen market insight and precise cell positioning, Jihoyen has become the most important member of the robot industry. Don't forget your heart, you'll reach your goal. Jihoyen Robot is always helping others. We will respond to the national strategy and always go with the party. As a purely domestic robot enterprise, as a national high-tech enterprise, Jihoyen has a responsibility to actively participate in the general trend of intelligent manufacturing. We will do our best to develop more and more robot applications. Jihoyen's vision is to make every factory can use robot.